Here we have a 70-plate Porsche Cayenne GTS TIPTRONIC. Now with the 4-litre engine, this vehicle produces 549 brake horsepower. We have the 21-inch Spider design alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the red Porsche brake calipers just behind. We have the crayon grey exterior paintwork, the LED headlights. We also have over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the heads-up display, the rear axle steering and the interior carbon package, just to name a few. We have the colour-coded door mirrors, black door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the adaptive air suspension as well, so the vehicle can raise or lower. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof as well, just there up top. We have the gloss black rear spoiler. We also have an extra spoiler which can raise or lower as well with a touch of a button from the inside. We have the 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors, the quad tip exhaust with the rear diffuser as well. We have the Tech Art body kit as well. Press this button just here on the remote and the power assisted tailgate will open just like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the storage net as well on the left hand side, the partial shelf just there. Come up here, press this button and the boot will close just like so. Then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the leather interior. We have the GTS logo as well embroidered on the headrest. Foldable armrest in the centre. We have the fixed ISO points. We have the grey seat belts as well, as you can see just there. Vents in the centre for the rear passengers. We have the gloss black and the carbon fibre trim just there on the doors. We also have the electric windows as well. If we take a look at the front again, we've got the leather interior, GTS again embroidered on the headrest. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, with the 18-point adjustments. They're also heated as well. Alcantara trim just here. We have the electric power folding mirrors with the blind spot assist. We also have the electric windows as well just there. Premium Bose sound system. We also have the auto lights as well just there. We have a multifunctional steering wheel which is heated. It's also carbon fibre as well. If we take a seat inside, as you can see, we have the carbon fibre steering wheel. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just here on this stalk. To close the door, you'll find that we have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We have the dashboard just there as well. If we put our foot on the brake and turn the vehicle on, then the vehicle will turn on and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights over for the fuel, so nothing to worry about. We also have a heads-up display as well just there. Now we can change the look of the dashboard using each side of the steering wheel. We have these two scrolls, which if we scroll through you can see we have different bits of information. You can also get the sat nav just there as well. Same on the other side, we can scroll through different bits of information just here. We also have the voice assist just there as well. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav again once more just there. We also have a range of media as well, such as the radio. You'll find the DAB, FM and AM radio, with the Bluetooth media as well. We also have the phone connectivity just there. Click onto the car, this is where you find that we have the different drive modes. We also have the chassis height as well, where you can change the height of the vehicle with the air suspension. Go back, we also have the off-road as well just there, or the off-road drive modes and information. Go back onto drive though, we have the exhaust system where you can change the sound of the exhaust, making it sound more aggressive. Same with the spoiler, you can raise the spoiler just by pressing that button like so. If you click onto control, you'll find we have the ambient lighting just here, as you can see, with a few colours to choose from. Go back down, you can find we have the climate control just there, the ice cold air conditioning. Scroll again, you find that we have a range of apps just here. We also have the assist, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. As you can see, we've got all these options just here. Click onto the sound, this is where you find that we have the premium Bose surround sound system as well. We have the devices just there with the Apple CarPlay and also the settings as well. If you put the car into reverse, you'll find we have the 360 view cameras just there. We can flick through a couple options just like so. Put the car back into park low. We also have the vents down here. We have the shortcuts as well as the climate control as well just there. We have the heated seats as well on each side. The screens as well, as you can see just there, all working just as they should do. We can also change the suspension as well, making it a more stiffer ride just by pressing that button there. We have the traction control and also the electric handbrake as well. We also have the cup holders with 12-volt connectivity and a nice Alcantara armrest just there. We also have the Alcantara as well just up here on the headliner and also at the sun visors as well. And there is a look at the panoramic glass sunroof from the inside. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you would like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this Porsche Cayenne GTS. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras included, and the purpose of this video test drive today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not identifying with symbol to keep it in a straight line. It is going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Parts of the optional extras that are fitted to this vehicle are the crown grey exterior paintwork, the heads up display. We have your very comfy seats there as well. Now if you wish to know all the optional extras that this vehicle has, here's a little box on the website where it describes everything that this vehicle comes with. Now some of the other optional extras is the adaptive suspension, so it is on air, so you can raise and lower it at any point if you want, whether you want it a bit lower to the ground to load some luggage into the back, or for those bumpy off-road bits that you want to go over, you can also raise the suspension to give you more ground clearance. We have your big screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You can have your Bluetooth and Bluetooth audio connectivity to the radio. You have an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto there as well. 360 cameras. You have a heated steering wheel. You also have your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter just down there as well. This vehicle really is jam-packed with optional extras and cool little gadgets and gizmos. All the seats in this vehicle are the half leather and half suede. Two front seats are heated and come with the electric memory function fitted to it. Big panoramic glass roof. It is a fixed roof, lovely flitting lighting. But right now, go over to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the 360 cameras and also your parking sensors. So you just wait to pull in. Thank you very much. And I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. Got 360 cameras there. Pop it into drive, it then changes from the rear camera to the front camera, and on the right hand side you have your bird's eye view. No issues whatsoever. And if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive here, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if I haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me. In this walk around video with a test drive, I'll take from you soon. Cheers.